crackhead over him.
Yeah. Another fucking guy I don't really know how they can nail him, but if they could subpoena the pencil neck, what's his name? Huh? Schiff. Subpoena him.
I have
And you
volunteered
run ahead up,
to
you're on the oath here, catch this son of a bitch in a lie.
Yeah, he's lying through his teeth. Every
draw
time he's on, he's
cybertronian mode
lying.
Optimus,
Every time you say, I have indisputable evidence, he had
and I'm
nothing.
proud of it.
He was lying through his teeth, this guy.
Yep.
Now then, let's get started.
That's Trump put the monocle on a pencil neck. Because I never saw a guy with a skinny neck.
That's a guy that got picked on every day I heard.
I'd love to see some of these guys go to jail, boy.
Riley, I like your tie.
Run
You
away.
like teriyaki? Yeah, it's a teriyaki chicken meatball. And watch this, I'm gonna give you a little cauliflower cream.
I should have brought my tweezers. Today was the day for the tweezers. Oh, I'm not gonna use my bag.
Let's see, what is it, January 6th they officially take over? Guys? Or the 8th, I think.
I don't know.
January 6th.
Early January.
Yeah.
David Burke.
Wanna try something nice?
He's a famous chef back then.
Yeah?
He had a restaurant in Trump's hotel in Washington. His partners.
Oh, yeah?
His partners were Trump.
There we are. This is what Optimus looked like on the first episode of Transformers Animated. It even got revealed, this form also got revealed on the toy line. One of these days I'll get this chance to watch it, to see it again at EternalCon.
What's today, the 22nd? Today's the 22nd. Christmas is Sunday, right? The 25th?
Christmas Eve is Saturday.
Wow.
Take my advice, guys.
So you got Friday, Saturday.
After you're drawing something like this, if you're drawing something like this, you would probably need this type of paper.
Huh?
Here before you know it.
You know, people, we look forward to
It's only found at a
Thanksgiving.
special location.
Thanksgiving comes and goes. Christmas right behind it. New Year's right behind that. You're into a new year. Like, holy shit. Then we got the increase in Social Security. I got increased my pension, Chris. It was in a contract many years ago. September, we would get an automatic 1% increase. This year, we got 3%. Inflation was so bad, however, that maybe they had that elasticity increase. They went from 1 to 3%.
Big jump.
Big jump, right? Then the what do you call it? The Social Security was. I'm lining up with
Alrighty
$100
then.
a month more than the previous year. Come starting January. $100 more, and Chris, the VA, I got a $100 increase in that a month. I got the letter and put it in my file. I had the letter from the psychiatrist I was going to. Yep. This guy was falling asleep.
One more thing about the Transformers episode.
Swear to God.
Optimus
Doc,
and his entourage are destined to protect the
I
Allspark
went for about 4 months.
against Megatron.
Both of officers, both 3 times.
Well, they're chosen to protect the Allspark from the evil forces of Megatron and his evil entourage. I'm talking Lugnut, Blitzwing, and a bunch of others.
But, you know, not just 3 times. Yeah. Well, they gave me the cognitive test. They had this special name.
There we are.
Yeah. So he gave me 5 things to say. And I said, okay, 1, 2, 3. I said, wait a minute. I'm saying to myself before I said the 5th one. I don't want to pass sausage fatty. So I made a mistake by error.
What do you think is the pasta?
Very good or just good? I said, well, wait a minute, Doc, give me another try at this. No. I put a Ralphie act on it.
Yeah.
I said, wait, give me another chance on it. No, one time, that's
Yeah,
it.
you watched Uncle Anthony all that time. Trying to get off a rubber gun squad.
Used to blow bubbles. There was a cop on light duty clerking for the doctor, you see. He wouldn't shave for weeks. No shoelaces. He'd blow bubbles. Remember he could blow bubbles? He'd blow bubbles.
Here are his hands.
Doctor said,
There he is. Cybertronian form Optimus Prime.
what do you mean?
Huh. Never realized I'd get this far. Never thought I'd draw him like this.
I can do my job.
That was awesome. Guys, have any opinions on this?
And he left him there. So he knew the cop was doing.
So,
The cop was on light duty.
who do you guys want me to draw next?
He says,